And we're back with Zoe's ringtones, even though Tiffany left me. I don't love you anymore.
Somebody wants me to call him, so keep going.
Who?
Nobody, keep going.
Who?
Keep going.
Tiffany.
Keep going.
Tiffany!
You'll listen, keep going.
Oh no. Okay. To my ringtones.
Hello? Hey. I called you.
I was like,
Ew! Just kidding, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
It's Zoe, the
It's
friend
Zoe.
that you like. And actually, we're recording a video right now, so you get to be in a video. Yay!
Yay! He's like, okay.
sort of late. Thank you.
Why are we late?
What? I don't get it.
Because I wanted to talk on the phone while I was smoking a cigarette, but no, couldn't do that.
While you were what? While you were what?
What's up? I said, what's up? What's up?
Oh.
The ceiling. Damn, where my roof just go? I got it.
So we're winning. No ceilings. And I'm trusting his word.
No ceilings, motherfucker.
Good morning. Dick in your mouth while you yawning. I'm gone then. Ghetto, why they start at me?
Yes, yes.
Molly, why they
that
start
is-
at me?
it's
I'll
amazing.
bring it to your front door like you ordered me. Back in this bitch with a lot more rich. I'm a Papa Bear shit. Need hot forage. A lot more shit than you could ever fathom. Oh no. That's funny.
Anyways.
How's Matthew?
Oh, don't
Don't-
bring him up.
Matty Matt.
Ew.
How is he?
That little...
I wouldn't know. I haven't talked to him.
I don't like him.
Oh, that's surprising. That's surprising.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So,
What do you think he's doing?
Autumn. Sorry. I said autumn. Sorry.
She's not the most of my worries, actually.
Who? Oh. Okay. Peyton. I'm sorry. It slips.
you guys
Give me Nigs. Nigs.
Is I said...
I wanna be on the
If she ain't gonna treat you right, then I ain't gonna treat you wrong. That's my word. She heard so many lies, she don't know what's true or not. Shot her like a valet service. I swear she been through a lot. But I put her car in park and never let her cry alone. I listen to her heartbeat because it plays my favorite song. You were my only.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We can do
Many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who y'all? But go away. You remember the song? I wanna make up right now.
I'm not feeling it. I saw my brain. Blood in my mind.
Love in my mind. I've seen nights full of pain. Days of the same. You keep
Man, fuck these men.
Now your girl might be sick, but my girl's sick. Through my cell phone, and she may be calling you. So if you can please take your name off of that and just have it as a number on the voicemail, okay? You gotta do this for me. Huge. Quickly.
So I'm just sitting in street hot trash. Ha ha, OMG, LOL. So I met this shawty the other day, I got her number, called her up like, what you doing? She say nothing. I say what's good, she say not much. I say guess what? She say what's up? I say I think we should hook up. She say I say what? She say but. I say but, why you stuck? She say I say who? She say not you. I say then who? She say you know. I know what? You know who? I said I do. She said you do. I say I do, but I really don't, because it's you that I really want, and we can do what you really want. Girl, we grown, and if he ain't gonna treat you right, then I ain't gonna treat you wrong. That's my word. And she heard so many lies, she don't know what's true or not. Shawty like a valet service, I swear she been through a lot. But I put her car in park and never let her cry alone. I listen to her heartbeat because it plays my favorite song. Come on. Kissing you, my senses come alive. So mama, but you could say I'm on duty. Need to go to Tiffany's. Give me all my slippers and my cookies always slippery. I don't need help, I pay the bills on time. So I be yelling, fuck 'em with a dildo sign. 5 little mama, you a 3-star. I ain't sleeping when I say I'm in my dream car. Oh, did I stutter? Harajuku hyphen Barbie. I'm hot, I think it's time to put the rice in. I was in the chair, they was booing my weaving. When you hit the stage, they was booing and leaving. Your money red flag, no more auditions. Ask Little Wayne who the 5-star chick is. Okay. What's that? It's going fast and I got an article thing, punch me a after. I'm the king of the world.
Come on, Nick, come on. Can you feel this magic in the air? It must have been the way you kissed me.
Okay, bye. Tiffany, say bye.